Thank you for coming in today.
Thank you for having me. My name's Adelia.
Nice to meet you. So, what brings you in today?
So I've been newly diagnosed as borderline diabetes,
Okay.
and my doctor recommended coming to see a dietitian so I can get more knowledge on, what I should be eating, physical activity, things like that. But I don't know much about nutrition or food.
Right.
I just kind of eat whatever.
Okay.
So I wanted some guidance on what to eat,
Sure.
how to exercise, all that good stuff.
Okay. You said that your doctor was the one who told you to come see me.
Yes.
How do you feel about being here?
I feel good. It's a little intimidating,
Yeah.
but I don't want to develop diabetes because I know my mom has diabetes.
Oh, your mom has diabetes?
So
How long has she had diabetes?
it's been a couple years, been like 5 years.
Okay. And it's type 2?
Yes.
Okay. Well, if you could just tell me briefly what your diet looks like.
I eat a lot of fast food. I go through a lot of drive-thrus. For convenience, I work and I go to school, so there's really no time to cook. If I do eat, it's whatever my mom cooked, and they're not the most health conscious, so so a lot of fast food, a lot of takeout, things like that.
Well, let's get into the specifics. I'm going to take a 24-hour diet recall, so I'm just going to ask what you ate for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and anything in between. So let's start yesterday with what you had for breakfast.
I had a Hot Pocket.
Okay.
It was like a breakfast Hot Pocket.
Okay. Is there?
It was like cheese and chicken.
Gotcha.
Filling.
All right. And then how about for lunch?
For lunch, I had Red Robin, a burger, and onion rings.
Okay. I'm just going to stop there for a second. I'm just curious. Are you getting medium sizes? Are you getting what kind of sizes?
The burger had double meat on it.
Okay.
Like all the condiments.
Mm-hmm.
It was like maybe like 8 onion rings.
Okay. And did you get a drink with that?
I got a Diet Coke.
Okay. And how did you feel after you ate this meal? Was it
full? Definitely full.
Okay.
I kind of didn't want to move. Kind of sluggish.
Gotcha. Yeah, these foods can definitely make us a little tired, right? And then what did you have for dinner?
For dinner, my family actually ordered in, so we ordered pizza.
Pizza.
For everybody. Yeah, just cheese pizza.
Just cheese. And was it square cut?
Yeah.
Do you know how many pieces you had?
Roughly. I would say about 6 pieces.
6 pieces?
And another Diet Coke.
Okay. And a can?
Yes.
Okay. And now, when you had this pizza, who was with you?
My parents and my siblings.
Okay. And they all had the pizza. Do you guys typically eat the same things together?
Yeah.
Okay. So now, do you snack in between any of these meals?
Not really. I
No.
just like to eat like really big meals.
Okay, so just kind of 3 big meals a day, and then you're good to go.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I just want to check with you.
Yeah.
Just kind of looking at this diet recall. Is this what your diet normally looks like? Is this kind of a general?
On most days, yes.
Okay.
I do eat out a lot and go through drive-thrus, but most days, even for breakfast, I'll have like a McDonald's McMuffin or something. So yes, most days my diet doesn't look like that.
Okay. All right. So if it's okay with you, I would like to give you just a few pointers that I see based on your diet and maybe how they relate to your diabetes. So I know the first thing is I do see a lot of carbs you're getting from the Hot Pocket, the burger, the onion rings, the Coke, the pizza. So you have a decent amount of carbs in there, and you also have a decent amount of calories and fat. And these can all just really feed into that blood sugar to make it increase. So I think the first thing that is important for you is to work on the diet. And do you exercise at all?
I don't exercise. I go for a walk sometimes. But
Okay.
that's about it.
That's good. At least that's a start, right?
Mm-hmm.
And now, so on a scale of 1 to 10, if you could tell me where you're at as far as changing, 10, you're super ready, you're gonna just start changing tomorrow, or 1 being you don't want to change at all.
Mm-hmm. I would say I'm right in the middle of 5, and that's only because I'm ready to change, but I don't know how to do it.
Right.
And those pointers are awesome, but I still don't think I'm at the point where I can independently be successful at it.
Right. And like you said, for dinner you're normally eating with your family, so it kind of depends on what they eat.
Mm-hmm.
So if you're interested, what I can do is just give you a few pointers on diabetes and what the diet should look like, and you can share that with your family, so that way it will give you a list of good dinners, good lunches that you can eat that are what I would call diabetes friendly. They're not going to make your blood sugar go up as much and will help you long term. And that way you can share it with your family so that they understand what your needs are and what their needs are too if your mom has diabetes as well.
She would appreciate that.
Yeah. Now, would you say that your family is supportive of your changes?
I don't see why they wouldn't be. It's at least something we discussed.
Okay.
I just think it'll be a little hard on them because, our lives, we just kind of eat what we want.
Right.
So it'll be something new, but that doesn't mean they won't accept it.
Yeah.
So.
It's kind of a change for everybody.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I see that you have some determinants in your life that are kind of stopping you from changing.
Yeah.
So what I want to do with you is make a list of pros and cons to changing. So let's start with the cons. Let's start with the bad things. So
Okay.
what's going to be hard for you to change?
Not convenience of drive-thrus and going to drive-thrus.
Okay.
Not eating something whenever I want or crave it.
Okay. Not being able to do that.
Yeah. Having to spend extra time kind of thinking about what I'm going to eat.
Okay. More time consuming, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, exactly. Time consuming. That's about it for the cons.
Okay. And how would you describe the pros of changing?
Don't develop diabetes.
That's a big one.
Just have a healthier lifestyle that'll maybe make me live longer.
Mm-hmm. How do you think you would feel if you were eating better?
Probably just I would have a little more energy.
Right. Not as sluggish.
Yeah. I feel tired all the time.
Alright. So I want to go back to your cons, and we talked about the convenience, eating fast food, not being able, you don't think you're going to be able to stand the cravings that you get, and then also that it's time consuming to figure out what you're going to eat. So if you want to come up with a few solutions to 1 or 2 of these, that way it'll be easier for you to overcome these when you implement this diet.
The cons?
Yeah, so, how would you maybe solve the problem of craving foods?
Cravings. I feel just drink some water, don't think about it, or get myself busy with something else.
Okay.
Just don't center my life around food.
Right.
Kind of have meals prepped beforehand, and even snacks prepped, healthier snacks, so I'm not prompted to buy anything I don't want to eat or try.
And I think having meals prepped would also work for time consuming, because then you wouldn't have to think about.
Yeah.
Right.
That's a good point.
Okay. I think those are all really good points, and I think if you don't mind if I suggest one solution that kind of pops into my head.
Yes, please.
For the cravings, you can always make a goal to wait until the weekend to eat maybe 1 fast food meal, so that way you're not just depriving yourself of these foods, but you eat healthy during the week, and then maybe on Saturday you can treat yourself to a burger. But of course you want to be cautious of your blood sugar, but at the same time it will help you with your cravings.
Okay. Thank you.
That sounds like a good one.
Yeah, I see myself doing that, so I don't have to eat healthy every day then?
Right, yeah. There's going to be days where, you have some
Okay.
fast food. I think that's normal. So
Okay.
it's not about depriving yourself.
Okay. Sounds good to me.
Awesome. So do you feel like there's anything that we didn't discuss that you want to talk about more?
Yeah, more about exercise.
Exercise?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Anything else that comes to mind?
I guess just like tips on how to stay on track.
Okay.
Everything.
All right. Well, we are almost out of time here with our session today, but if you would be willing to meet again, I can definitely have more pamphlets and tips on exercise and also just share with you tips and tricks to stay on track. Would you be interested in meeting again?
Yeah, this was very helpful.
Perfect. Then we will set up another day.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Well, it was great talking to you.
Thank you.
All right.
Too.
Have a great day.
Thanks.
Oh, God.
11 minutes.